So finally it is official that the OnePlus 8 will be announced on 14th April during an online live stream. OnePlus says the lineup will consist of a full series of 5G devices and there will be a headset with 120Hz display in the lineup, up from the 90Hz display found on some of its previous phone. Two main devices are expected to launch at the event is the OnePlus 8 and the 8 Pro. Although recent reports have claimed that they might be joined by a cheaper third device called the OnePlus Z. Beyond the official detail provided by the OnePlus about its new devices, there have been a number of leaks and rumors about what the company planned to introduce in its 8th generation of phones. Reports have claimed that the devices will finally support wireless charging and the Pro version of the phone will also feature a IP68 dust and water resistance rating, making the first time a OnePlus device has received an official IP rating. In terms of design, the phones are expected to ditch the pop-up selfie camera found in last year's Pro devices in favor of a punch-hole notch. Leaks have claimed that the device will be available in green, black and a fluorescent interstellar glow color. Around the back, the Pro is expected to include 4 rear cameras, while the standard OnePlus 8 could have just 3. So now let's talk about each device in detail, and let's start with the OnePlus 8. If we talk about the leaked spec sheet, both the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro will be 5G enabled. While OnePlus is yet to reveal a launch date for the OnePlus 8 series, spec sheet of two phones have now surfaced, courtesy of a reliable leaker Ishan Agarwal. The standard OnePlus 8 will apparently feature a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate and a hole punch cutout housing a 16-megapixel selfie camera. As confirmed by the company already, the flagship phone will be powered by a Snapdragon 865 chipset, coupled with up to 12GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. In the camera department, OnePlus 8 is tipped to have a triple camera setup on the back, featuring a 48-megapixel primary camera. If the leaked spec sheet is completely accurate, it looks like the OnePlus 8 will actually be quite similar to the last year's OnePlus 7T in a number of areas. In terms of battery life, however, the OnePlus 8 could be a solid upgrade over the OnePlus 7T. As per Ishan Agarwal, the phone will have 4300 mAh battery with a warp charge 30T fast charging. The OnePlus 8 Pro on the other hand is expected to be an impressive upgrade over the current OnePlus 7T Pro. Like the standard OnePlus 8, it will be powered by a Snapdragon 865 chipset and come with up to 12GB of RAM. The flagship phone will sport a larger 6.78-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. At the rear will be a quad camera setup with a 48-megapixel primary sensor. The leaked spec sheet also claims that the phone will have a 4510 mAh battery with 30-watt wired and wireless charging, IP68 water resistance and a 16-megapixel selfie camera. So guys, are you excited for the OnePlus 8 series? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.